Limitless Yogi here once again, back with one more message, and I really love sharing these messages with you. So today I'm going to talk on how we all are deliberate creators. Now, what I mean by deliberate creators is most of the people on this planet, they're living by certain programs. They've been hypnotized to believe into something, and those illusions which we live, we feel that is our reality. And sometimes we forget that we can create our own realities, and there is a science behind that. There are proven facts. In spirituality, a lot has been talked about how we all are deliberate creators. You must have seen the lot of motivational quotes that we create our own reality. You must have heard the quote from Gautam Buddha that we say ना मराठी में we say की तूच आहे तुझ्या जीवनाचा शिल्पकार. So all that thing, all those quotes mean one thing, that we all are deliberate creators. And what do we mean by that is, we can create our own reality when we understand that reality in which we are living right now is just an illusion. We feel it's real, through TV, through media, through internet, through our social, the cultural programmings in our families, in our societies, in schools. There is some things, there are some conversations put into our head which makes us believe that this is the real thing. Life is like that. And in that, somehow what happens is we lose our power, and we lose that awareness that we can create whatever we want in our life. And this universe is made in such a way that we have that power. Scientifically it has been proven. So we live in this consciousness, we live in this field. This is all energy around us. What you're seeing behind me, this is all energy. Everywhere there is energy. So in that energy patterns, you can really create whatever you want. There is abundance, there are limitless possibilities available for everyone. How to create those possibilities is, first you have to start becoming aware that you're not you detach yourself from what identity you're holding. For example, for me, Yogesh was the name which was given at the time of my birth by my parents, and I started living living by that identity. And I started feeling that I am Yogesh, and I lived by that identity for quite long. And then a lot of things happen in my life where I realized that ultimately I'm a soul, I'm a consciousness. And when I start living by that consciousness, a lot of things started happening, a lot of things started coming to my life, my reality started changing. So this is how first step is, understand that we all are one consciousness, we all are souls ultimately. And whatever character we are living in this planet is just a character. Right now we are living for this lifetime. And I'm not any spiritual guru or nothing, but whatever I have learned from that, I'm going to share. Next thing is how you can create your own reality. You have to understand that we are a tower. We are a radio, kind of radio. We receive certain vibrations and we emit certain vibrations. And our brain basically is a frequency tower. It keeps receiving certain vibrations, certain frequencies, and it keeps emitting certain vibrations or certain frequencies. So when you are able to channelize this energy, your vibrations in your frequency, you will see that a lot of thoughts starts becoming things. That's why I said thoughts become things. So when you understand that you can manage all this at a core level, and this I cannot talk in just 1 minute or 2 minutes. You have to go deep dive into this subject. You have to understand what really it is. But one thing I can understand, that if you are able to manage or control, not control I can say, but divert your thoughts and emotions in a certain way where that thoughts and emotions pick up some certain energies, and then they become a reality. Consciously, when we keep offering our thoughts and emotions, it becomes a physical matter. What do you mean by physical matter is, it becomes a reality, physical reality. So there are a lot of things which can be shared, but just to conclude on this message is, understand that you can create your own reality. There are a lot of ways by which you have to understand that you can create your own reality. Law of attraction, law of vibration, it is there, and it is there to support that only. So when you have that awareness, from that awareness, that reality can come out. And I suggest that you all read one book called Ask and It's Given. You will get all idea what I'm saying about. Ask and It's Given. So order that book, and you will get everything in detail what I am talking about. You will come to know that you are actually a deliberate creator. You can become a joyous deliberate creator. You can create whatever you want for your life, and a lot of things are available for us. We just need to pick up those things, bring it into our consciousness, and then it will become a physical reality. So this is Limitless Yogi signing up from here. Keep watching, keep rocking, keep commenting, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing, and always remember, you are born to be limitless.